The price of a home is $195,000. The bank requires a 10% down payment and 2 points at the time of closing. The cost of the home is financed with a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage at 7.5%. Part A, find the required down payment. The down payment is 10% of the cost of the house, $195,000. So 0.1 times 195,000 gives us 19,500. This is the down payment that you're required to pay up front. The amount of the mortgage is the cost of the house minus your down payment. 195,000 minus the down payment, 19,500. That gives us $175,500 for the mortgage. How much is paid for 2 points at closing? 2 points basically equals 2%. So we have 2% of the mortgaged amount, not the original, but the mortgaged amount. So 175,500 times 0.02 gives us 3,510. So those are your closing costs. Find the monthly payments excluding escrow, taxes, insurance, and we want to round to the nearest dollar. So the formula that we're going to use is the same formula that we used with vehicles. PMT is equal to P times R over N divided by 1 minus 1 plus R over N raised to the negative NT. So the principal here is the mortgaged amount, the 175,500. The rate we are told is 7.5%, so 0.075. Divide that by N, which is 12, since we're making monthly payments. And we have 1 minus 1 plus 0.075 divided by 12 raised to the negative 12 times 30. In the calculator, we have 175,500 times 0.075 divided by 12, close that off, divided by, open parenthesis, 1 minus, open, 1 plus, 0.075 divided by 12, close your parenthesis, raise it to the negative 12 times 30, and we get 1,227. Again, we'll round to the nearest dollar. $1,227 is our monthly payment for this house. Part E is asking for the total interest paid over the 30 years. We're paying $1,227 every month for 30 years. 1,227 times 12 times 30 gives us $441,720. This is the total we paid for the house. To find the interest, we need to subtract the amount of the mortgage minus 175,500. And here we get $266,220 in interest alone. In our next example, we are assuming we can get a 15-year loan as opposed to the 30-year loan for the same house. Let's find our monthly payments and the total interest for a 15-year loan for the same house. Our payments are, again, the mortgaged amount, $175,500, times the rate, which has not changed, divided by 12, all over 1 minus 1 plus the rate, divided by 12, raised to the negative 12 times 15 years this time. Let's see what we get in the calculator. 175,500, open, 0.075 divided by 12, close, divided by open, 1 minus open, 1 plus 0.075 divided by 12, close, raised to the negative 12 times 15. This time our monthly payments are a little bit higher. The monthly payments are $1,627, again rounding to the nearest dollar. So this is what we're paying every month for 15 years. To find the interest on this house, we need to first find the total paid. The total paid will be $1,627 every month for 15 years. 1,627 times 12 times 15. This time the total payments is $292,860. To find the interest, we need to subtract the amount of the mortgage, $175,500. This gives us $117,360 in interest. So if you can manage to make a bigger monthly payment, $1,627 every month, and get the 15-year loan, you're paying significantly less interest as opposed to the 30-year loan.